I think it goes way back when she was 16 years old.
This is what, in the 6th grade, right?
Eighth.
8th grade, yeah.
I was 13 when I knew.
And these two kids are sitting on the steps downstairs. And I'm like, it's okay, it's perfectly fine. Bring your friends up. Not knowing that that friend today would be somebody she's getting married to.
They were always home. We're like, oh, she's my husband.
All of us went to the same school, so we know them since like first grade.
Yeah.
That's like 20 years.
We've seen him with a full head of hair and now...
We all grew up as little children in the same group.
She's a typical girl in love. She must have been in love since she was 16 till today. They've been around for 10 years, cross continents. I mean, how many people can actually do it?
They've already like stuck through for the hard part, I think.
She completes Bhaiya in a very, very good way.
You can see the proof of his love and the amount that he has danced in these.
Yeah. Have a guy like that who adores your child way more and the emotion shows on him. Yesterday when he did that dance for her, I was like, my little girl is in the right place.
And he never dances. Yeah. And he's been dancing his heart out with like all the love in his eyes and it's just amazing.
This is true love, if you ask me, you know, to go through ups and downs of distance more than anything else. So that's where that song came. You know, it's like Pehla Nasha, and it's the only Nasha you have.
Pehla Nasha, Pehla Guma, Naya Pyar hai. कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता
एवरी डे सूजी का हलवा खिलाया मैंने उसको बहुत प्यार किया है मैं और नहीं बोलूँगी बस
That I think Nikita is a very welcoming, inclusive person.
She gave me 36 hours of labor pain, but not a day of pain after that.
She just like gives with her whole heart.
Always a shoulder to cry on. She's always the person who's yelling at us when we mess up.
She's goddamn committed. She's very, very committed.
She's super brilliant. She's so smart. It's incredible. So there's like a million sides to that girl, and there's just too much that goes into being who she is. And I don't think there's anybody that could ever replace her. And yeah, we love her.
Kenny's honestly the best. And like, if there was someone that I had to like pick for my sister, it would be him. He's just like a gem.
Currently, it's genuine. That's always the feeling I've got from day one. So it's like what you see is what you get.
He's like a coconut. He's like hard on the outside and really soft and like full of good stuff on the inside.
And so, like, just responsible and reliable and loving.
She's like a ideal child. Like, she's just beautiful.
किस्मत की मेहरबानी मुझको तू मिल गई है ये मेरी खुशनसीबी तेरी सोबत मिली जितना भी तुम्हें देखूं मन है भरता नहीं रह गुजर है तू ही मंजिल मेरी सोचता हूँ तुमको बार बार चाहूँ बस तुमको आस पास तू ही मेरी मर्ज की एक दवा बिना मुझको बना हो गया तेरियां मिठियां वो तेनू यार बनाना जे होवे इजाजत दुनिया तो मैं चुरा ला दिल दी तू खुशियां तारीफ है सच्चियां जे दवे इजाजत तेनू अपना मैं बना ला सोनिया माया सोनिया
If I were to describe Karneet in like one word.
Calm.
Intellectual.
Handsome.
Liar.
Logical. Smart.
I'd say adventurous.
Smart.
Reliable.
Intense. Sorted. Patient.
I'd say resourceful.
Rich.
But he didn't say that.
And Nikki?
Blind. No, I'll say smart.
Very headstrong.
Yeah, I would say headstrong too.
Instinctive. I don't know.
Say something.
Loyal.
She's an end to cut.
Loyal.
Sweetheart.
Loving.
Dude, why is the silence?
Super helpful. Always there when you need her.
Super fun.
What you see is what you get.
Yeah, and I'd add and say all heart as well.
All out there.
Yeah.
Very caring, very bossy. Queen of bossy.